Thank you for watching KPLC Connections, and we are connecting you to the Southwest Louisiana Law Center. I'm Kathleen DeVille, and I'm joined by Mark Judson, the Executive Director of the Law Center, and their client, George Taylor.
Hi, Kathleen. It's been a fun week, hasn't it?
It has.
Listen, really, we thank you for letting us be on Connections. And, of course, it's Go Pokes Friday, so I'm wearing the Go Pokes shirt today. And we just want to remind everybody that we have been talking about the Southwest Louisiana Law Center and how we provide affordable, reduced-fee legal representation to those who have a sincere legal need, but they just cannot quite afford to pay a private attorney. So before we get into the segment, as always, we want to thank the Baggett McCall firm for sponsoring this segment. They're great personal injury lawyers, and they're just fantastic believers in access to justice, and they're great supporters of the Southwest Louisiana Law Center. But back to the Law Center. Just like the Pokes, you've got to have good leadership if you're going to have a good team. And one of our great leaders has been George Taylor. George, you've been a former board chairman of the Southwest Louisiana Law Center, a board member, and you're even a past client of the Southwest Louisiana Law Center.
Yes, I am, and yes, I was.
How was your experiences in all three?
My experience was great as a client. I enjoyed being a client. The service was wonderful. I was treated fairly, and I was treated adequate law service. I had an attorney who was very adept at the particular law that I needed to have.
And that was important to you?
That was very important to me. As a board member, I enjoyed being on the board. Every person has a right to legal representation, and Southwest affords that opportunity to any and everyone.
And getting your case heard in front of a judge with legal representation, it's very important. How would you say, what would your life have been like without the Law Center?
Well, I would like to say that I would have had to pursue something in the community help field. Southwest helps the community, and it's a needed entity for the community. Everyone cannot afford legal representation, and it's everyone's right.
And we try to make that right happen at the Southwest Louisiana Law Center. Again, we want to thank Baggett McCall for sponsoring this segment all week long. They're fantastic personal injury attorneys. Choose your lawyer carefully is what they say, and we believe in it. If you have a great personal injury case, take it to Baggett McCall. But if you have a case and you can't afford to pay a lawyer, contact the Southwest Louisiana Law Center.
And it's based on a sliding scale.
Sliding scale based on ability to pay.
There you go. Give them a call today at the Southwest Louisiana Law Center. Thank you for watching KPLC Connections.